Hello everyone, Big Game Al here, back again with another video. And this one's a little bit different because I technically never filmed this one. So we recently went away on the Marella Voyager by TUI, and we went with my sister, and she had my little 2-year-old nephew with her. So she had a family room. They don't have many on these ships, so I thought I'd just show you a little video what she took. I'll do a little bit of talk over on it and just show you what a family room looks like in case you want to go with your kids, so you can see what you're getting into when you go there. So yeah, it's only going to be a short video this, but yeah, let's have a look at the video she recorded. Right, so here we go, room 8253. Just look, as you look in, you can notice straight away a sliding door in the middle and an extra bed. So this is the main adult bed here, and this is like the little child room. So it's got a double bed. There is the ladder there because that is a pull down bed at the top there, so you can get more than one kid in there without them sharing the same bed. They have their own big TV. You have a big mirror there, utility, what do they call it, unit. Here is the bathroom. So it's just your bulk standard bathroom and a shower. There is no bath for little kids, just a normal shower. And then your wardrobe space is no different to a normal room. You don't get anything extra in here for the kids. Literally just the same amount of hangers and everything. I believe they do have a cot that you can request. Also, the bed they've got in there for the kid, it turns into a sofa when you're not there. They come in and make it up for you. But yeah, that is just a little tour of the room. Not really much more to show you. It's another little bit of wardrobe. Right, hope you've enjoyed that and it's been helpful. So, like I said, it's just a quick little tour of that room. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Like I say, no bath for the kids. You can get little, like basically paddling pool style things that you can put in the showers, and you can bath the kids that way. They're only small, you fold them out and put them in your suitcase, because my sister done that for my nephew because he don't like showers. So that's just a little tip for you. And yeah, the bedroom does turn into a sofa, so you can have it as a little room to sit and watch TV during the day, and then they come in at night time around about 5-6 o'clock, turn it down, and then in the morning they come in 9-10 o'clock and turn it back into a sofa for you. So normally while you're up at dinner and while you're down at breakfast in the morning. So yeah, that's all there is to tell you. And yeah, hope it's been helpful, and catch you in another video real soon.